Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
When we the thing say we dey suffer for this country, people they buy themselves through way over hardship and everything. Listen to what Tinubu they talk for Germany. Tinubu say make them put his name for Guinness Book of Records. Say in fact, say because of the reform, the kind policy we don't put for Nigeria, the way the thing they work, say they're supposed to put his name for Guinness Book of Records and say even if they not put an, he go find way make them put an. Listen to what they talk. In fact, if you dey listen to Tinubu, they ask yourself whether not this one be the president of Nigeria, be another person. Watch the video, share them because it gave me when I get from at the end of this video.
No matter how flexible you think a democracy should be, if we fight for it, yes, it is now very flexible and resilient in Nigeria. Be assured. Shake off the military era syndrome. Shake that off. You might have all other news from sections of Africa, but for Nigeria, democracy is there, is here, and we are partners. If you add the fear of various audios, just look at me. I am from private sector, one of you. Trained by Deloitte, worked for Mobil, ExxonMobil, until I got to become the treasurer of the corporation. So define corporate governance, whichever way. I am in it. And from there, I've governed Lagos for 8 consecutive years. And today, I can brag, beat my chest, that Lagos is on the horizon. It is the 5th largest economy in Africa, from zero. That's a track record that I can use to assure you. And that's the track record that got me into this office as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nigeria voted for me for reforms. And from day one of my inauguration, I started the reform. Day one. To me, if you didn't mention me in the Guinness Book of Records, I will try to find a way to insert myself. Because I did it without expectation. My inaugural speech didn't disclose what I would do that day. I removed the fuel subsidy that is the greatest burden and pipeline to fraud and irregularities, a great burden to Nigerians from the moment I stepped into the office. There are other reforms. The arbitrage reading exchange rate is gone forever. Now you can bring your money in and out as you wish. Easy in, easy out. If you have any problem, I have one of the most reliable teams that you can think of in Nigeria. I've mentioned a few of them here, and I'm accompanied by a few of them. We will answer all your questions. But I want to appeal to you, forget the past. My friend here said, no money, no hallelujah. No investment, no development, no hallelujah.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Yes, so my people, as I told una say I go come back, I don't come back, una welcome back. As soon as see that video, una watch, I wanna see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. I need to bring and come give una wey be my people wey dey here. Make una follow me shook mouth put whether it dey good or it dey bad. So if it dey right, una still leave una comment below. If it dey bad, una still leave una comment below. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. So if you dey watch me, you never subscribe, my brother, sister, I beg you in the name of God, make you hit that red button and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will get notification and you will constantly watch me. Thank you very much. See you again in my other video. I love you all. Bye bye.